Hey guys and gals, thanks for watching. Today we're going to try and fix the WJ's cracked upper dash. You can see there's a crack there. There's a pretty big crack over here. So it's a 2000, so she's had her day. So we're going to see if we can pop that out and put a new one in. And the color's not going to match. The one I ordered came in wrong, and they didn't accept returns, even though they made a mistake. Anyway, so I think the one that's going to go in here is going to be slate gray instead of this brown color. I can always pop it out and repaint it if I want, but I want to see what it looks like first. So let's see what we can get going here. Okay, so here's our replacement part, and you can see it's much darker. They call it slate. Looks black to me, but you know, parts are getting harder to find sometimes. So take what I can get. Got this off of eBay. I originally selected, I want to say taupe, but they sent this, and you know, once I unwrapped it, there was no way I was going to get it all back in together in that box and try and send it back. Plus, they didn't want to accept refund or returns anyway. So we're going to work with this and see how it goes. Okay, so from what I understand, this just pops out. This one is pretty torn up due to sun damage. See, there's another break right there. So I don't know if it's going to pop out as designed or if it's going to come out in pieces. So I've got a little tool here. We're going to see what we can get it to pop. Oh, see, that piece broke. Once again, sun damage is pretty bad, so I don't expect it to come out in one piece per se. Yeah, it's just a mess. So, but that's why we're doing it, right? Because it's pretty bad. See, it's just coming apart in pieces. Once again, that's just sun damage. God, I didn't know it was this fragile, to tell you the truth. So we're just going to have to kind of be careful and see what we can get out of it here. Oh my goodness. Wonderful. Okay, we're on the other side. Let's see what we can do about getting this out. This is just basically sitting there. Alright, so wow, no idea it was that bad. Alright, I'm going to turn the camera off. I'm going to go up there and I'm going to make sure that all the attachment points for the new one are clear and there's no broken plastic still sitting in them. Clean up where I can if need be, and get the new part. So I'll stop the video for now. Okay, here is the new piece. Once again, I've already cleared up all that, made sure that there was nothing in any of the mounting points that would stop it from going in correctly to the best that I could. So just gonna double check one more thing. Yeah, it looks clear. Okay, so this thing should just slide right up in there, and we should be ready to go to town with it. Okay, I kind of like the two-tone look. Yeah, kind of like the way it's starting to look. I got to get some better leverage in here to knock some of these where they need to go. Go over the other side. little flashlight. Yep, all lined up. It's just me not getting enough leverage on it to pop it in. There we go. I believe that's it. So, yeah, I'm kind of digging it. See what it looks like from the outside if we can get a view. Yeah, it's not, I like it. As long as I like it, that's what counts. So it, like I said, it just pops in, pops out, and the one we had was just sun damaged to crap, as you saw. Just broke all in our hands. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share the video.